If it's time to upgrade your garage lighting, these hexagon lights are a great option, and I'm going to show you how to install them from start to finish. So first things first, we have to take down our old garage lighting. So I took off the cover, I've already got the power turned off at the circuit breakers, and I'm in the process of undoing some of the wiring. Now we're going to unscrew this light fixture from the ceiling, and then we're ready to start installing our hexagon lights. But first, let me show you the first one that I put up for reference. Now you see the spot where the lights plug in isn't in the center, it's off to the left or right, and you'll see how that plays a role in just a minute. You'll need a 7/32 drill bit for the pilot holes for the drywall anchors. I already have mine marked out where I want it to start. Now we'll put in the drywall anchor. And now the fun part, we're going to start putting together all the hexagon lights. Everything just clicks into place really easy. And I'm starting with this 3-way connector. And now we can actually screw it into the ceiling. Okay, here's that part that I said would come up again. See the wiring, it plugs in right there. This is one of the cords that they provided, but you can see for me, it's a little short. Luckily, they provided a longer cord, but the downside is it has a plug on the end. It's a real simple obstacle to overcome. Just cut off the plug, because now I have access to the same positive, negative, and ground wires. Use something sharp to cut off that rubber protective barrier. Then you need to do the same on the wires. Ideally, get a wire stripper tool, which makes this way easier. I don't have one, so I just had to very carefully cut the rubber part and pull it off myself. Again, the power is turned off at the circuit breaker, which is important because I'm going to be touching these wires. And I'll use the included wire nuts to twist these together. The green goes on the ground wire, and now you can just match up the other wires, white with white and black with black. At this point, I'm done touching wires, so it's okay to turn the power back on, and you can see it's working. The hard part's done, and now it's just fun. We're going to start putting everything together and screwing it into the ceiling. Now it's just a matter of putting the lights up and marking where I need to drill holes. And these lights actually weigh so little that you can leave it up. They'll just hang a little bit. It's a lot easier, though, if you have a second person to hold it up for you. And then it's just more of the same. Put the lights up, mark where you need to drill, put in the anchor, and screw in the lights. Now at this part, I'm basically done, but in my case, I don't like the ugly wiring hanging down here. So I picked up a couple of these covers from Home Depot. This is what it looks like if you want to look for it yourself. I used an X-Acto knife to help me pop out the middle, and then I just used some of the leftover drywall anchors and screws from the hexagon light kit. And then to clean up the wiring, I got these coaxial staples also from Home Depot. Just be careful when you're hammering in the nails, you don't actually break the light. You can see it looks a lot nicer and way more tidy. And here's the finished product. So if you guys want to pick up these same hexagon lights, they are pretty easy to put up. It took about an hour each set. They're on sale right now. They got free shipping, and I got it linked below.